What's up, y'all? So it is that time again. As a nail tech, we always got to go regenerate our supply. And in Fresno, where I live, there's only a few nail supply stores, and this is the one that I like to go to, y'all. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. You know what? What I usually like to get is I like to get these little buffers right here, because these little buffers, they're actually really good for like pedicures and manicure, one-time use onto the next client. You know what I mean? um Let me see what else they got. Definitely buffers. I need some buffers for the nails too. And when it comes to doing buffers, I like these little buffer right here. They're not too coarse. I want them to be like kind of fine, so it kind of smooth out the surface of the nails, so that you don't go and rough up the shape of the nail when you're buffing. So I'm gonna get that one. Let me tell you what else I'm gonna get. Okay. All right, I definitely need some gloves. Masks is actually important too. I'm about to run out of. Well, I have masks at home, but you know what? Let's just get another mask. 3 layer of protection. Let's just get another box of masks. So these are the kind of masks that I like to use when I am doing nails and pedicure. It's good protection and easy to breathe. So this is why I like it. Um, I do need files. So when it comes to doing pedicure, um, I don't like to reuse none of the files, so it's a one-time use for each of my client. And these are the files that I like to use, the 80 by 100. They're actually really good, great for one-time use, and then on to the next guest. And that's how I like to keep it clean. Next. All right, so when it comes to filing, let me see. When it comes to filing nails, these are the files that I really like using. Where is it at? These are the one that I like to use right here. I like the fact that they're white, so it's easy for me to use. It doesn't show any type of messes. But other than that, these are very good file, easy to hold, and works really great. So definitely recommend this when it comes to acrylic application. All right, let's see, what else do I need. I know I need. Oh, so what I'm looking for. Uh, what I'm looking for is gloves. There we go. Gloves is the size that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and get a small. Um, I like these gloves right here. However, they're latex gloves. There are clients who are allergic to latex, so you might have to switch it up once in a while. But these gloves right here, I really like to use them. They work very well for me, so I'm gonna get it. All right. So now what I'm looking for is pumice stone. Pumice stone is what I'm looking for. Um, and pedicure liners. That's what I'm looking for. Pedicure liners. Oh, here it is. So, all right, here, perfect. So these are the liners right here. Let me see, 725, 40, 25. Here, I'm just gonna get these blue ones. So these right here are like for pedicures. And nowadays, if you go get pedicures, there's like liners that they put inside the spa chair. It's more sanitized, and it works really great. A lot of clients really like it. So I'm gonna buy this right here. All right, so what I need is pumice stone. But before I get the pumice stone, I really like this right here. Where's that? I don't see they have it anymore. These stuff is for pedicure. They're like sea salt, but they come in a pallet. So you can actually just drop it in the water, and it keeps the feet smelling good and all that, you know. Let me check it out. Huh? Who's working today? Hi, Hung.
Hi.
Hey, do you have pumice stone?
Yeah.
The one in the back that you usually sell?
Yeah.
How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good.
Right here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so these are the pumice stone that I usually get when it comes to doing pedicure. However, you got to be very careful with these. So these are like, they have the fine one, and they also have like a very coarse one. The coarse one can be very painful. Like these are the fine one. You see how the fine one is very nice and smooth, and the coarse one is very, has a lot of holes in it, very hard, very painful. When I usually do this is because I don't like to reuse the pumice stone on any of my clients. So this is a one-time use. I'm just gonna buy this, and this should work for me. All right, what else do I need before I go? Because you know, when you go shopping, you gotta try to gather everything. Okay, can you ring this up for me? Yeah, I forgot to bring my checkbook. Can you put on my tab for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. How are you?
Okay, how about you?
Good. Let me see what else. I guess that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, yeah, I need a regular top coat for one of my client. So let me, I think that should be it right there. I knew I forgot something. Do you have the top coat by, is it Savvy?
Yes.
Yeah, the regular top coat.
Okay.
Can I get one of that, please? Thank you. If you guys don't know what these are very good regular top coat. So you guys have clients who does regular top coat and the polish is taking so much time to dry. I definitely recommend this right here. This is actually a very good top coat. I have one client that does regular polish, and this one really goes hard on her. So got to get this. I'm gonna put it in here, okay? Thank you. And that's pretty much it. This is our lovely owner of the shop right here. She always, you know, take care of us. Nail tech, whatever you need, just hit her up. Her shop got pretty much anything that you need in the professional nail industry. All right, well, anyway, so I guess I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the stuff and get to work. Have a good day. If you like this video, make sure you like it, share, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye, home. All right, y'all, so I just finished purchasing this, and look at this, y'all. All of this, you know, whatever I just bought, 81 bucks, not bad, right? You know, good place. I really like this location. Nice owner, good service, and as a nail tech, if they got what you need, that's the spot right there.